Have you ever been bored with the color of your sofa, or the kids have spilled some food and stained it? Now it's easy to clean or give a new look to your living room by just changing the covers. Hello and welcome to IKEA 101. This EKTORP sofa comes in many cover options that you can change in a jiffy. Just choose your favorite color and replace the old one. Voila! A brand new look! When it gets soiled, just remove it, toss it in the machine and wash. Completely clean and refreshed. The covers are also available for the armchairs and footstools so that you can have a coordinated set if you like. It's so easy now. Whether you want to change the look or keep stains at bay, your living room hero will always shine bright. Until next time, bye.